Greetings, friends. My name is Kirby, and it's been my ongoing privilege to serve as a Clarusway instructor along the data analysis and visualization track. I bring a lot of experience teaching and using Python to this work. We meet live online for many hours each week during our most intensive period. I'm one of a sequence of instructors you will encounter in your journey of self-reinvention. I also share materials asynchronously via a shared Slack channel and through my GitHub repository. We use Slack during our Zoom meetups as well. Now, the Clarusway curriculum is well designed, and I enjoy being your tour guide within the Python ecosystem, where we explore array-based computing, a de facto standard way of programming in data science. We start out with NumPy right away, but I also do background forays into topics in core Python, helping you build your Python chops even as we start our climb through these tools specifically designed for data scientists. NumPy lets you treat a whole rectangle of numbers as a single object. We think in terms of rows and columns, and from there we move to pandas, which is built around NumPy and which exercises a lot of the same kinds of thinking. Once you have a serious understanding of array-based computing and its applications to statistical processes, we dive into data visualization. We use a package called Seaborn. We also look at some of the others. Our ability to summarize and make decisions depends on visualizations and the stories they tell. Now, throughout this tour of the core technologies, I take frequent side trips into neighboring areas. None of these tools would be as easy to use, for example, were it not for, say, Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebooks. And once these topics are introduced, the door is open to LaTeX and regular expressions. We start using databases. We start to talk about SQL, SQLite. And what I know is many students will experience, as I do from time to time, a sense that there is an overwhelming amount to know and the tools are always changing. However, this is also your opportunity. No one knows it all, and there's always a way to start fresh on the ground floor and get competitive such that your skills are in demand. And what you need to do is make smart investments with your time and train with tools that fit together and which are likely to stay around for a while. Clarusway has that figured out for you. Now, I do not work alone along this Clarusway data analysis and visualization track. You'll have mentors, you'll have other students, you have our ever-growing and continually updated stash of relevant resources, including our instructor videos. You'll be able to interact with your mentors and instructors, other students in real time. And at the same time, there's enough in the curriculum that's self-paced to give that sense of freedom and convenience that comes with distance education. Now, I joined the Zoom meetups coming from Portland, Oregon. It's a city known for its thriving hardware and software businesses. My background is in harvesting medical data for statistical analysis in the context of a large hospital system. I've also written a lot of client-specific computer database applications. I started using Python back in the 1990s with version 1.6, and I have experience with many languages and was serving in a teacher and trainer capacity. I'll be following this well-designed Clarusway curriculum and sometimes bringing in my own experience and perspective to the material, giving you whatever insights I hope might be useful to you. I want to be one of your resources and guides, and I look forward to your joining us.